Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Hootsuite for managing multiple social accounts fast, detailed guide step by step clearly. To download Hootsuite for managing your multiple social accounts, start by opening your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Hootsuite download and press enter. Look for the official Hootsuite website in the search results, typically the first link. Click on the link to navigate to the Hootsuite homepage. Once on the home page, locate the Get Started button, usually found at the top right corner. Click the button to be directed to the Sign Up page. You will see options for different plans, including free and premium versions. Choose the plan that best suits your needs and click Select. Fill in the required information to create your account. Once your account is set up, check your email for a confirmation link from Hootsuite. Click the confirmation link to activate your account. Now, return to the Hootsuite homepage. Look for the Download section, often found in the footer or the main menu. Select the appropriate platform for your device, either desktop or mobile. For desktop users, download the application for Windows or Mac, as per your operating system. For mobile users, find the Hootsuite app in the App Store or Google Play Store. Click Download or Install based on your device. Once the download is complete, locate the file in your Downloads folder. Double-click the file to start the installation process for desktop. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation. For mobile, the app will install automatically after downloading. After installation, open the Hootsuite application. Log in using your newly created account credentials. You are now ready to start managing your multiple social accounts efficiently. Explore the interface to familiarize yourself with its features. Begin adding your social accounts to streamline your management process. Enjoy the benefits of centralized social media management with Hootsuite. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.